Hi, today I am going to show you how to solve picture 4 corner cube. Picture 4 corner cube is by Landland. It is basically by David Picture and mass produced by Landland Toys, and this is similar to hexagram cube. So if you look at this cube, there are 4 corners. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 and 4. In this also, if you look at this, these are 2 corners which are active. So this and this corner on this side, and on opposite side these 2 corners. So these 2 corners move. So if you look at this side and this side, these 2 corners move. These 2 corners they don't move anywhere. Similarly, here also if you look at these 2 corners are inactive, so these 2 corners only moves. So it is 4 corner cube. Secondly, if you look at, this is the edge. So if you look at this side, so this is the side. Similarly, in this case, this is the side. So this is corner. So corner, this one is edge. So I mean, if you look at green, a small dot and red, so it just rotate, it doesn't change the position or it doesn't change the sides, so it will remain here only. Similarly, these are the same edge pieces. So in this case, if you look at, so corner, then this edge, these are the edge. So this is that edge, then this is the center, or we can say here it is edge piece. So this piece and this piece are same. Again, this is the edge, this and this. So here it is the edge and then corner. So this is the corner. Similarly, these are the center pieces. So this piece is equal to this piece. So this piece, if you look at from this side, so this green piece is equal to this piece, this piece equal to this piece. So if you look at from this angle, so this is the corner and there are 3 centers, so 1, 2 and 3. So from here also, this is the corner and 1, 2 and 3. So this is the same similarity in both the cubes. The movements are also similar. Secondly, you can move from this angle. So it is similar to 3 cycle what we do in hexagram. So it's like, if we want to rotate these 3 centers or maybe edges, whatever you call, so if we want to move these 3 edge pieces or center pieces, so we can do 3 cycle from both the sides based on the requirement. So from this also we can. Similarly, if we want to rotate this white center, so we can rotate from here. So we can use these 3 cycles. So white will come here, orange will come here and yellow will come here. So it is similar to hexagram. Secondly, corners also we can move. So it's like this. So this corner and this corner. So what we can do is we can move this entire thing over here. So this will come here, this will come here and this will come here. So again 3 cycle. So up, then up, down and down. So you can see it moved I mean it moved anti-clockwise, so we can again move from here and it will be in its position. So up, up, down and down. So this way we can move the pieces. Secondly, to move the centers, I mean these three centers, what we can do is we can move from here also. We can use 3 cycle from this angle. So up, then up, down and down. So now you can see it is moved on upside, and from here we can move this piece to this side or this side, and if we want to change the direction we can take it to top and then bring it down. So it's like up, then up, down and down. So you can see it has come up. Now you can bring this space over here and you can change the position. So if we want to place this space over here, so this will come here, this will come here and this will come here. So it is up, then up, down and down. So now you can see it changed the position, so it is now upside down. So whenever you want to change the position, you can rotate from here and you can change the position. Secondly, you can rotate these 3 centers also, like if you want to rotate this, so up, then up, down and down. So now you can see this, I mean all 3 centers position are changed. So this way you can change the position of the center pieces. Okay, so this way you can change the center position. So you can again undo whatever we have done. So you can bring this back. Okay, and then you can change the position. So if it is you can take this into this side and you can change the position. So this will come here, this will come here and this will come here. So it is down, up, up and down. So now what we have to do is we have to bring this over here, and now we have to, this will come here, this blue will come here and this will come here, and it will be properly placed. So up, down, down and now it is placed. Okay, so one more situation I'll show you. Okay, now I'll show you one more case wherein we need to rotate these 3 corners. I mean we need to place these 3 corners. So I'll just show you the situation. So this is our setup move. So this corner will come here, this corner will come here and this corner will come here. So it is up, up, down and down. Okay, now we have to place this corner over here. So this will come here, this will come here, and this will come here. So it will be up, then up. We need to be careful because it should not be like this, otherwise this will not be solved. Then down and down. Okay, now we have to undo the setup move. So it is up, up, down and down. And now we have to place this into its correct position. So this will come here, this will come here, and this will come here. So sorry, this will come here, this will come here, and this will come here. Okay, so now you can see we moved these three corners. So it is, this corner belong to this side, this yellow, orange and red corner belong to this side, sorry, this corner belong to this side, this corner belong to this side, and this corner belong to this side. So it is anti-clockwise movement. Okay, so now again we'll do the undo whatever we have done. So it is down, down, and now we'll place the corners. So up, up, down and down. Okay, now we'll replace it with this. So this will come here, up, up, down and down. Okay, and now we'll undo the setup move. So it is up, up, down and down. So now we can see all corners are in its correct position. So this we will have to use once we solve the edges and the centers. So first I'll scramble this. Okay, so now it is scrambled properly. So the first step is to fix the edges. It is very easy. We need to just align the edges. So these two edges are aligned, and then we need to align other edges. So I think this edge will, this is also aligned. This is aligned and this is also aligned. So these two are aligned. So it is intuitive, I mean you can align the edges easily. So this is aligned. Now we have to align this edge. So this is aligned, this is aligned, this is aligned, okay. So I think all edges are aligned now. Okay, now our next step is to fix these centers. So we need to find whether any of the center is into its correct position or not. So I think we have to fix all centers. So first we'll see whether, see this orange and green belongs to this side, blue and yellow side. So first what we'll do is we'll place it like this, and then we'll take this out of the way. So it will be, this will come here. We will use 3 cycle algorithm. So this piece will come here, this piece will come here, and this will come here. So it will be like this. So it has come up. Now we can place this piece over here, but we cannot place it directly. So what we'll have to do is we'll have to first take this piece out of the way, because we can't move directly here because of this piece. So what we'll do is we'll bring this piece over here, and this piece will replace with this piece. So we'll have a corner piece over here, then we can replace it with this. So it will be up, up, down, and down. Okay, now we can place this piece. So how can we place it? So this is also upside down. So what we'll do is we'll use this piece like this. So it is up, then we'll bring this piece like this, and then we'll place it like this. So from here it came here, and now we can move this. So it is, this piece will come here, this piece will come here, and this piece will come here. So it is down, down, up, and up. So now we can see this green and orange is placed. Now we have to place, this is also placed. Now we have to place this orange and yellow, that is here. So this piece will come here. So it is very easy, because we can use 3 cycle with this. So it is down, down, up, and up. So we have fixed 1, 2, 3 corners, or 3 centers rather, and now we have to fix the other centers. So here it should be, we have white and red. White and red belong to this side. This is, let's see if we can use the same technique to place the pieces. Okay, so this we have placed easily, because it was like this. I'll just show you again. It was like this. So this white and red piece belong to this side. So what we did is we just moved this on the opposite direction, and then we'll move here. So it will be into correct position. So this is into correct position, and then bring this back. So this is placed. Now we have to place, this is orange and blue. Orange and blue belongs to this side, and here it should be white and green. So white and green piece is here. So first what we'll have to do is we'll have to bring this piece, blue and orange, to this side. So for that we need to first place this corner, I mean this center, on in this side, because it will restrict the movement because of this piece. So we'll have a piece which has corner. So what we'll do is we'll bring this piece over here, so it is up, up, down and down. Okay, so now we have this piece, and now we know how to place this, because this blue and orange belong to this side. So simply place it here, and then we can replace it with other piece like this. So this will also be solved because this is white and orange. So this is placed and this is also placed. So we place two corners, two centers rather. So now we have to place three centers. So this is white and green, white and green. Okay, white and green belongs to this side. So first we'll have to bring it up, so it will be like this, and then it will be placed. Okay, so first we'll have to bring this up, so it will come, I mean we can directly place it here. So it is up, up, down and down. So this is also white and green is also placed. Now we have to place white and blue. Here it is white and blue, and this is blue and okay. So here we have 1 2 3 4 centers and 5 centers we need to place. Okay, so first what we'll do is we'll bring this piece over here, so that the movement will be easy. So what we'll do is this piece will come here, this piece will come here, and this piece will come here. So it is up, up, down and down. Okay, so now we have an easy movement. So this blue and red belong to this side, so simply we have to place it like this, and we can replace it with this. So we'll bring it up and we'll bring this down, and we can put this up. So we placed this blue and blue and red piece. Now we have green and red, yellow and blue. Green and red belongs to this side, so this piece belong to this side. Okay, so and here it is yellow and red, so yellow and red belong to this side, so this piece belongs to this side. Okay, so we can directly place it like this. So this will, it's like up, up, down and down. Okay, so we have this white and blue and yellow and red. Okay, we need to place this yellow and red, so we did one mistake, so we need to again undo the same. So this will come here, this will come here, this will come here, and this will be placed here. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to move this piece over here. So we'll have to first use not this piece but this piece, but we can't use it because of this. So can we use another piece to replace it? So what we can do is we can place this piece over here. So this will come here, this will come here, and this will come here, and from here we can probably move to this side, or probably, okay, no, this won't work. Okay, so what we will do is we will simply we have to bring this yellow and red piece over here, and from this side we can't do it. So what we will do is we will do it directly from this side. So this piece will directly replace it with this. So it will be, this piece will come here, this piece will come here, and this piece will come here. So it is like this. So up, then we'll replace this piece, up, then down and down. So we simply replace this piece, yellow and red. So now we have to place yellow and blue over here. So this piece will come here, this piece will come here, and this piece will come here. So it is down, down, up and up. So this is also placed, this is also placed, this is also placed. Okay, now we have to place red and green and white and blue. So red and green is here. So what we can do is probably we can place it from here. If we will try to place it from here, let's see if we can place it. So can we place it from here? Let's see. Okay, so no, we can't place it because it will be placed, but it will be like this. So we can't place it from here. Okay, so what we will do is, first we will bring this white and blue piece over here. So this piece will come here, this piece will come here, and this piece will come here. So it will be up, up, down and down. Okay, so now we will have to place this piece over here, or we can directly place it, this piece. We'll see if we can place this piece over here. So it will be up, and we can, but it is on the reverse side. So what we will do is we'll have to try from this angle, and if we can place it, yes, from this angle we will be able to place this piece. So the position is like this. So we first tried from this angle and tried to put it, this is white and blue side, so we tried to put it from the here, but it is placing on the opposite side. So what we are doing is we are placing from this end, and it will be placed properly. So it is up, then up, down and down. So now this is also placed. Don't look at the corners, we will have to permute the corners later. So now we are left with only one center that we need to place it here. So first we will bring this piece over here. So it is I mean from here what we'll do is this piece will come here, this piece will come here, and this piece will come here. So it is like up, up, down and down. Okay, now if you look at we replace this piece and here also if you look at this piece will come on reverse side, but we will solve this. So first what we'll do is we'll place this piece over here, so it is down, then down, up and up. Okay, so this is one case where we need to place this it is flipped, so we have to flip this piece. Meanwhile what we'll do is we'll place this piece into its correct position. So this will come here, this will come here, this will come here, and this will come here. So it is down, down, up and up. So this is into its correct position. Okay, so what we will have to do is we'll have to first place this piece on top and then we'll have to place it. So this should be the position. So what we'll do is we'll place this on top, so it is here. So what we'll do is we'll have to place it like this. So it is up, up, down and down. So now we can see this piece is on top, and now we have to place it from this side or maybe from this side depending on the situation. So if you look at from this side, this will be placed properly. So from here if you look at from this side, so this will be again placed into reverse side. I'll just show you. So if we place it from this, so again it will be placed on, it will be placed opposite side, it will be flipped. So from this side now we have to place it. So it is down, down, up and up. So all centers are now placed. Okay, now we have to just place this center pieces. So this is very easy. It is again 3 cycle algorithm. So we can use in such a way that we can solve 3 centers at the same time. So let's see if we can white. Okay, okay, from this angle if you look at this, orange will come here, this white will come here, and this blue will come here. So it is up, then up, down and down. So we placed 2 pieces together. Okay, similarly white, red and yellow. Okay, so we'll be able to solve in this case only one, but that's okay. So this will come here, this will come here and this will come here. So up, up, down and down. Okay, so now we are left with 1, 2 and 3. Okay, this is very easy. So it is like this. Okay, so this red piece will come here, blue piece will come here and this green piece will come here and it will be solved. So it is up, up, down and down. So this is solved. And I mean all our centers are now solved. Okay, so now we have to place the corners only, and as I showed earlier, this is, I mean we have to rotate it clockwise. So this piece belongs to this side, this piece belongs to this side and this piece belongs to this side. So we have to rotate it. So simply we have to bring this up as a setup move, and this piece will come here, this piece will come here and this piece will come here. So this corner which belongs to this side will be placed. So up, then up, down and down. Okay, now we have to replace this space, I mean this corner with this, because we have to place it over here. So this we need to place it. So it is up, then up this way, then down and down. Okay, now we have to undo what we have done. So this piece, this corner piece and center piece will come here, this will come here and this will come here. So up, up, down and down. Okay, and now we can place this back. Okay, and now we have to simply place this 3 cycle. This white piece will come here, this piece will come here and this piece will come here. So it is up, up, down and down. So our cube is solved. I'll show you one more case wherein the corners are rotated wrong. So how can we fix this? Okay, this is one situation wherein 2 corners are rotated. So they are into its correct position but they are rotated. So only 2 corners are rotated. So how to fix it? So if you look at, one corner is rotated anti-clockwise. So this green belongs to this side and red belongs to this and white. So it is anti-clockwise, and this corner, one corner is clockwise. So this orange belongs to this side, this blue belongs to this, and so this is clockwise. So what we will have to do is the anti-clockwise corner which we need to rotate, we will keep it in front and we'll use this. We will take this corner to this side, then from here to this side, and from here we'll bring it to this side, and then we will replace it with this, and we will undo whatever we have done. So we'll again bring this here, then here, and then place it here, so it will be rotated correctly. So from here we'll place this corner over this side, so it is up, up. So please ensure it should be like this, down and down. So it has come here. Now we have to place it like this. So from here we have to place it like this. So it is up, up, down and down. Okay, so and from here we have to place it like this. So we have to place again in the same position. So this corner will come here. So it is up, up, down and down. Okay, so now you can see it is correctly rotated. Now we will have to replace it with this one, which is not yet correctly rotated. So this will come here. So it is like up, then up, down and down. Okay, now what we have to do is we have to undo whatever we have done. So we'll bring this back again from this side to this side. So this will be, it is up, then again up, down and down. Okay, from this side we have to bring this back. So it is up, again up, down and down. And now we have to bring this into its correct position. So up, again up, down and down. So this is placed. Now we have to do last move. So this piece will come here, this piece will come here, and this piece will come here. So up, up, down and down. So all corners are rotated correctly and our cube is solved. So thank you very much. If you have any query, you can message me. If you like the tutorial, you can subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.